Why, hello, everybody. Welcome to week 3 here in Crime in America. This is the halfway point week for this course, so if you didn't think it was fast, I guess you can understand it's fast right now. So let's go ahead and talk about the first exam. Excuse me, since everybody but one person took it, and that person's probably not watching this video, so we'll talk to the ones that took it. The exam scores were well, pretty much all over the course. Very wide spectrum, but the good point is everybody passed. We had 3 A's, a B, 2 C's, and one, well, it's not talked about, but they passed. So that's all that counts. If you're the one that just passed, hopefully you'll figure out how the testing is from this and kind of work to enhance your score on the next ones. Again, keep in mind that the quizzes are worth the same as an exam, and you can retake them till you make a 100. So if you're worried about your grade, keep retaking your quizzes so you make 100 on all the quizzes. Your quiz score can't go down; it can only go up. So keep that in mind. Well, let me get out of the way and we'll talk about what we've got going on this week. We're going to be looking at Chapter 7 on the social process theory. Read the chapter in the book, watch the video, take the quiz and make a 100 on it because you can. Questions don't change, so keep going until you make it. And then complete that discussion. The discussions have looked pretty good. We've got a lot of people getting all of the follow-up posts. Some were kind of lagging a little behind. I'm actually filming this on Tuesdays, so you've got till midnight tonight. So I'm not sure how many people will go back and finish their follow-up posts from the first week. But hopefully they all will, and that will also reflect a better score. After you complete Chapter 7, then you need to take the second exam. Again, it will be the same mode as the first. Make sure you find the bonus question. I think all but 2 this last time got the bonus question. I had to manually score them. It was set up to call the correct answer as Greg Abbott, not just Abbott, but I gave everybody credit for just Abbott because you got the answer. And those scores have been changed so that they reflect the extra 5 points. Once you've completed exam 2, then you can move on to chapters 8 and 9. Chapter 8 is on social conflict theory and critical criminology and restorative justice. Restorative justice, I find, is a very interesting concept, and it's something that's very viable in use with youthful offenders. It's not a program for the career criminal, but for the youthful offenders, it can be very, very good. So again, read that chapter, take that video, make at least a 100. Well, okay, technically at least a 70 on the quiz, and complete the original on the discussion, and then you can move on to Chapter 9. And then on Chapter 9, you'll complete the discussion. Watch the video, take the quiz, the whole same 9 yards. Chapter 9 is on developmental theories and life course, propensity and trajectory. Again, do the original on that discussion, and always remember to complete your follow-up post for the chapters from last week, which I'm not sure exactly which one is through Chapter 7, through Chapter 6. You'll need to complete all those follow-up posts. If you're not sure how, here's kind of the instructions on the follow-up post. If you've done your follow-up post without reading these instructions, go back and fix the first couple, and you'll get I'll give you credit for the first week if you do correct it after if I grade it tonight, because I know that some of you had done the follow-ups before the instructions were posted in here, so you're kind of ahead of the game. But That's all I've got for you this week. Oh, one other thing. Your research paper is due next week, so make sure you get that completed and in, because we only got another week after that, including your presentation that needs to be submitted so we can get the presentation discussion. I'll got nothing else for you today. I'll talk to you again next week.